shaft off. Fortunately, I can never get freaking steering wheel undone. I actually put PB Blaster on that like 2 days after this tractor was given to me. Or 2 days after I got it, I should say. And it never budged. And then I tried that liquid wrench on it. Well, I should backtrack. I put WD-40 on it. And I got some PB Blaster. And then about a couple days ago, I put some liquid wrench on it, and as you can tell, it didn't work. So, but I got everything off. Surprisingly, this came off. I didn't have to cut it. Ooh, excuse me. I got the doodad right there. You can see the little doodad there. I wanted to get this all done so then I can start focusing on this guy here, because my plug came in, so I can start focusing on that, and hopefully I can get some spark today, or possibly tomorrow. So I gotta put a battery in it, because I gotta have a wire hooked up to the battery. So yeah, here we go. Anybody needs some parts, let me know. Fenders, spindles, need an axle, clutch assembly, the footrest, the steering tie rod connector piece here, clutch pulleys. I got a bunch of them. The deck engager, steering gear, I guess you call it, battery tray, keeping the tie rods, so I can always use them. Seems like I'm always breaking them. Side panels, whatnot. I don't think I'm going to bother with this guy here. It's pretty in rough shape, but I'll try some steel wool, see if I can't get it to clean up. If I can't, I'm just going to leave it there. Alrighty guys, here we go.